In this video I will show you how to make this pattern, which is perfect for baby blankets, throws, pillows, bags and other your projects. Believe or not, it consists only with double crochet and single crochet. That's it. Let's start. Let's start by making a foundational chain. The number should be even, so I will make 20 chain stitches. Ready? Now we should make one chain stitch to start the row and make one row of a single crochet stitches. Single crochet because you pull in the loop, the yarn through the loops, 2 loops, once. This is in the US abbreviation. In UK abbreviation it will be called double crochet because you have 2 loops on the hook. Two systems creates a lot of confusion between people. For me, it's more comfortable to use the US abbreviation by counting the number of times I'm pulling the yarn through the loops. The first row is almost done, but to me personally it's the most difficult one to get a good stable foundation for your work. Then we're making a turn, and now we need to make 2 chain stitches to go up, and we will make a foundation for our beautiful V-shaped loops by making a 2 double crochet stitches into 1 loop. So let's start from the second loop on our row of single crochet. So yarn over and 1 double crochet and doing into the same loop where we made the double crochet. We make this one more time so they have the same foundation, and we're missing 1 loop here, and again into the second doing 2 double crochet with the same foundation, making the whole row of this double crochet with the same foundation. We made this process only once just to set up a foundation We're almost done. Two double crochet into the same foundation. And to finish the row, just make one double crochet into the last loop on the row. So now the foundation ready, and we will make now one more row of single crochet. If you see, I'm going under two loops here. So I'm inserting the hook not to the first loop or the last, but under the two loops at the same time. It's a very easy pattern, perfect for beginners, but if you want to get something little different with some twist, and honestly it's so simple, you just go row by row by making this single crochet and double crochet with the same foundation. I will show you now this key row, which will make them so beautiful. And the last one. So now let's make our beautiful double crochet with the same foundation, but in this time we'll make it slightly different. So yarn over and you insert your hook not into the row with a single crochet, but into the loop between two double crochets you made earlier. So you pull in the yarn through and make like a very prolonged loop. The length of it should be a little bit higher than your row with single crochet, and you just continue your double crochet, and again yarn over, pull the yarn through, make it slightly longer, and just finish your double crochet. And again, just yarn over, insert your hook into the hole between two double crochet, so into the previous row, and complete. Do it again. You can just fix the yarn so it looks nice, and we continue in the same way. Very easy, but look totally different than your standard double crochet. Which makes this pattern absolutely perfect for beginners. You can make baby blanket, you can make throw pillowcase, bag using this pattern, scarf. Just by changing one thing in your double crochet. So find a hole, pull the yarn, make it a little longer, and complete. I'd recommend keeping the lengths of your prolonged loops just as about one little, the lengths of your hook maybe above the row, so it's not longer, not shorter, it's exactly right. And finish the row by just making one double crochet, turn. What is good in this pattern also that it looks same from both sides, which is great. Again, one chain to start the row and make one row of single crochet, now you can also see very easy the loops where to go with your single crochet. Turn. Now we're making our prolonged double crochet again. So yarn over, find the loop between two double crochet from the previous row, insert the hook, pull the yarn through the loop, and complete your double crochet. Do it the same, and again. Now you can start seeing beautiful pattern being formed. I was in love with this pattern. So simple, very relaxing, easy. You can enjoy it while watching your film, series, talking with the friends. You will not be distracted much, and it's very, very hard to make mistake here. Just make sure to maintain the same length of the pulled loops so they all look identical. Now you can see very easy which loops to go under. I hope you will enjoy the pattern and let me know your feedback. So you can just iterate, try different ways of applying this pattern, but let me know if it was easy for you or you think it's a bit difficult for beginners, and where you think this pattern would fit. So you just repeat row with single crochet and then again the row with prolonged loops into the previous, pulled from the previous row, like this. Enjoy.